Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to insert SIM card. In the beginning, let's remove the phone case. Once the case is removed, take a look at the bottom of the smartphone. Right here we've got the SIM card tray. Use the SIM card tray opener to eject the SIM card tray. As you can see, the smartphone does not have SD card slot. There is only one and two SIM card slots. Simply place the SIM card here. As you can see, we can place the SIM card only one way because of the cuts. And once the SIM card is inserted, place it back into the smartphone. Now we can again put it inside the case and it's done. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.